What are the controls for playing Uno on PS4 with 2 players?
Greetings, gaming aficionados. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and competitive world of Uno on PS4. Specifically, we'll cover how to control the game when playing with 2 players. This guide will be your roadmap, so let's jump right in.
Starting the game.
To start the game, first, make sure both controllers are connected to your PS4. From the PS4's main menu, navigate to Uno using the left analog stick or the D-pad and press the X button to select. Once the game has started, select 2 players with the same controls.
Controlling the game.
During the game, your controls are simple and intuitive. You'll mainly use the D-pad or the left analog stick to navigate through your hand and select the card you wish to play. To select a card, navigate to it and press the X button. If you want to draw a card from the pile, press the square button.
Special actions.
Uno on PS4 has some special controls that you should know about. These actions can affect the gameplay significantly. Challenge a Wild Draw 4 card. When a Wild Draw 4 card is played, you can challenge its legality. To do this, press the triangle button. Call Uno. When you're down to your last card, remember to call Uno. Failure to do this can result in a penalty. To call Uno, press the circle button.
Pausing and exiting the game.
Pausing and exiting the game are also essential controls to remember. These controls will allow you to take a break or finish your session when you're done playing. To pause the game, press the Options button on your PS4 controller. From the Pause menu, you can resume or exit the game. To exit the game, select Exit Game in the Pause menu and press the X button. And there you have it, folks. These are the controls you'll need to know to master Uno on PS4 for 2 players. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to dive in and play a few games to familiarize yourself with these controls. Happy gaming!